Hello students, welcome to lesson 54. This lesson is about planning your visit, deciding what to do and where to visit. I hope the lesson is enjoyable and that you find it useful. James is visiting Hong Kong. He is at a tourist information office. Listen and complete the questions he asks. Then listen and repeat. Are there any good markets here? Are there any good markets here? What museums do you recommend? What museums do you recommend? Where's the best place to go shopping? Where's the best place to go shopping? Are there any temples I can visit near here? Are there any temples I can visit near here? Is there a guided tour I can go on? Is there a guided tour I can go on? Are there any good markets here? What museums do you recommend? Where's the best place to go shopping? Are there any temples I can visit near here? Is there a guided tour I can go on? Now listen to the assistant in the Tourist Information Office and match each answer, 1 to 5, with a question, A to E.
Yes, Wong Tai Sin Temple is very popular. It's about 5 minutes from here. Yes, there are lots. Hong Kong is famous for markets. Stanley Market is very popular, and there's a good night market in Temple Street too. Yes, the tour bus leaves from just across the road every 15 minutes. You can find good shops everywhere, but Central District and Causeway Bay are worth trying first. There are many good ones. There's the Space Museum, the Science Museum, and there's a very good art museum. And the horse racing museum is popular too.
Complete the following sentences with there's a, there are, is there a, or are there any?